This tutorial is based on the Hydraulic Engineering Circular number 23, published by the National Highway Institute. It is intended to instruct you on how to use Tensar Plus to evaluate the efficacy of Tensar's Triton Marine mattress for use as a scour countermeasure in a riverine or channel application. You can get to our new Scour Protection module by clicking Marine on the left side of the screen, then Scour Protection. Our first step is to determine the appropriate target factor of safety. There are several application types, but in most cases, you'll be using channel bed or bank in your design. As you change the drop-downs in this section, you'll notice our target factor of safety also changes, with the minimum being 1.2. The next section requires inputs that affect the design of the mattress, and all inputs are limited to a specific range of options. Unit weight of stone is limited to between 125 and 175 pounds per cubic foot. However, to accurately model granite or hard limestone, your unit weight will most likely lie between 165 and 170 PCF. Mean stone size, or D50, is limited to between 2 and 2.5 inches to most effectively work with the aperture openings of the geogrid. Maximum stone size, or D100, is limited to 3 inches to reduce void areas in the mattress. Stability coefficient, or CS, is a variable that is determined by flume testing and should be limited to a range of 0.9 to 1.1. At this time, the Scour calculator will only analyze the effectiveness of a 6-inch Triton Marine mattress. Currently, no other option is available for selection. All of these suggested parameters can be found by clicking the question mark by the input, which will bring up a tooltip. Moving on to the channel section, channel geometry can accommodate analyzing a straight line channel or the outside bend of a river or creek. You'll need to know the geometry of your water body for this section of the calculator. Our outputs are located in the top right. The output will calculate the channel shear stress, which is applied shear, the permissible shear, which is the shear stress resisted by the mattress, and finally, the design factor of safety, which is the permissible shear divided by the channel shear. Once you're finished with your design, or if you need to stop and come back later, click the Save button in the top right. You can easily print your design by clicking the 3 dots to the right of the Save button and pressing Print. If you have any questions or you need help with the calculator, you can click the Request Design Assistance button at the very bottom to get contact information for one of our engineers. If you're ready to proceed forward on a project with Triton Marine Mattress as your solution, please contact your local Tensar representative.